Hello children, good morning to you all. Yesterday we have completed lesson. I explained to you the complete lesson. 2 days we took for explanation. Today I am going to give you difficult words. And what you are going to do? You are writing them in your notebook, each one 3 times. First you have to take the name of the lesson, Marching to Freedom. Okay. You should write on red margin the name of the lesson, title of the lesson, Marching to Freedom. This is our lesson for today. And next line you should write the heading, difficult words. Difficult words. And leave a line, then start writing. Leave a line and then start writing. While writing, I read 2 to 3 times. You also please repeat after me. Then you write 1 time in your notebook while reading 3 times. And leave 3 lines. Then at home, as homework, you write 2 times each. Then leave a line for neatness. Like that we are writing 3 times each word. 1 time while the class is on and 2 more times as homework. Where? Not on separate page. Same way, same place. While writing only, leave 3 lines after each word is over. Then you write 2 more times after the class is over, whether in the afternoon, night, any time you get time. Okay, and then what you do, you leave a line, 3 lines we are leaving, 2 lines you are using for writing, 1 line for neatness. So already 1 time you are writing when the class is on. Now I am going to give the words on the blackboard and I keep on reading them. I too want you also to read them. I want you to also read with them, with me, how many ever times I read. Please repeat after me. Concentrate on what I am writing. So let us start our work. Okay. First word, ashram. First word, ashram. A-S-H-R-A-M. Ashram. A-S-H-R-A-M. Ashram. A-S-H-R-A-M. Ashram. Okay. Then activity, second one. A-C-T-I-V-I-T-Y. Activity. A-C-T-I-V-I-T-Y. Activity. A-C-T-I-V-I-T-Y. Activity. So, A-C-T-I-V-I-T-Y. Activity. Exciting. E-X-C-I-T-I-N-G. Exciting. E-X-C-I-T-I-N-G. Exciting. E-X-C-I-T-I-N-G. Exciting. Fourth one, discussing. D-I-S-C-U-S-S I-N-G. Discussing. So, D-I-S-C-U-S-S-I-N-G, discussing. D-I-S-C-U-S-S-I-N-G, discussing. Fifth one, queried. Q-U-E-R-R-I-E-D, queried. Querried. 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 Next questions. 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 Seventh one, digging. 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 Nodded. Nodded. Let me write them clearly so that you will not get any problem while writing. Digging. Digging. Nodded. Nodded. 9. Eagerly. 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 Next word, laughed. 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 Wait. Explained. 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 Unfair. 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 Refused. 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 Then veranda. 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 15th, nervously. 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 Stroked. 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 17. EXACTLY exactly. EXACTLY exactly. Then let us read them first. Remaining words again I will write on the blackboard. So I am reading them once again 3 times each. Meanwhile you complete writing them one time. Okay, you read with me and write one time. Read with me 3 times and write one time. Okay, please do that and follow neatness and correct spellings. ASHRAM ashram. ASHRAM ashram. ASHRAM ashram. ACTIVITY activity. ACTIVITY activity. ACTIVITY activity. EXCITING exciting. EXCITING exciting. EXCITING exciting. DISCUSSING discussing. DISCUSSING discussing. DISCUSSING discussing. QUERRIED queried. QUERRIED queried. QUERRIED queried. QUESTIONS questions. QUESTIONS questions. QUESTIONS questions. DIGGING digging. DIGGING digging. DIGGING digging. NODDED nodded. NODDED nodded. NODDED nodded. EAGERLY eagerly. EAGERLY eagerly. EAGERLY eagerly. LAUGHED laughed. LAUGHED laughed. LAUGHED laughed. EXPLAINED explained. EXPLAINED explained. EXPLAINED explained. UNFAIR unfair. UNFAIR unfair. UNFAIR unfair. REFUSED refused. REFUSED refused. REFUSED refused. VERANDAH veranda. VERANDAH veranda. VERANDAH veranda. NERVOUSLY nervously. NERVOUSLY nervously. NERVOUSLY nervously. STROKED stroked. STROKED stroked. STROKED stroked. EXACTLY exactly. EXACTLY exactly. EXACTLY exactly. Only 4 or 5 more words we are going to write this side. Okay. So I am not completely rubbing the words. 18th we are continuing. PROBLEM problem. PROBLEM problem. PROBLEM problem. Then next, waiting. WAITING waiting. WAITING waiting. WAITING waiting. Then lovingly. LOVINGLY L-O-V-I-N-G-L-Y, lovingly. L-O-V-I-N-G-L-Y, lovingly. L-O-V-I-N-G-L-Y, lovingly. So, these 20 words you are going to write in your notebook 3 times each. Understand? And better you read the lesson today and keep your notebook in front of you. Whatever words I give on the blackboard, you underline with the pencil in your textbook also. So, this is it for today, children. Thank you. Tomorrow, meanings, question answers. Let me see what is possible. Okay. So, thank you once again. Here I stop.